Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. These deals started on Sunday, September 26th, and they are good up until Saturday, October 2nd. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so everything that you see here was completely free for me, plus an $8.96 moneymaker. I did do 2 separate transactions, so let's go ahead and go over my first transaction. So in my first transaction, I grabbed 2 of these Revlon Photo Ready Insta Blush. And then I also grabbed 2 of the chocolate cover almonds. These chocolate cover almonds are so good. So with the chocolate cover almonds, they are priced at 2 for $5, no coupons or anything. And then with the Revlon Insta Blush, these were priced at $6.29, and I purchased 2. So $6.29 times 2 is $12.58. With the Revlon products, when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I purchased 2 at the $6.29 and it brought my total to $12.58. We do have a $9 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12.58 minus that $9 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just $3.58. And when you buy 2, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward, but I think it's still in my purse. So with receiving that registry reward, it made both of these completely free, plus a $1.42 moneymaker. And so let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt for that. So as you guys can see, both of the Revlons rung up at $6.29, so $12.58. Both of the chocolate cover almonds rung up at 2 for $5. There's my $9 digital coupon that came off. So it brought my subtotal to $8.58. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, paid $3.58 out of pocket, and I did receive back that $5 registry reward for the 2 Revlon. So $8.58 minus that $5 registry reward, it made me pay just $3.58 for all items. But my second transaction, once I go over that, you will see that that transaction paid for this transaction. Okay guys, so in my next transaction, I'm going to go ahead and start with these Gillette foam shave gels. So these are priced at my store for $2.99, and they are buy one get one 50% off. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So I did purchase 2. One rung up at $2.99. The second one rung up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus the $1.49 is $4.48. And then when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I did receive back that $4 registry reward, but again, it's in my purse. So $4.48 minus that $4 registry reward brought my total down to just 48 cents for both of these, or it makes each one just 24 cents, which is a really good price. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Crest toothpaste, and then I also grabbed this Crest Scope mouthwash. So both of those items are priced this week at Walgreens for $3. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase the toothpaste at $3 and the mouthwash at $3. That's going to bring your total to $6. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Crest. And then we also have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the mouthwash. So that's a total of $2 in digital coupons that I used. So $6 minus that $2 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $4. And then when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So that made both of those items completely free. And again, guys, I forgot to mention that I used a digital booster, get $12 in Walgreens cash when you spend $55. And then next up, guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 more of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, not Optic White, but the Colgate toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $4 off of 2 digital, a $3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that digital coupon, that'll bring your total down to $4.98. And then when you purchase 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, bringing your total down to just 98 cents for both. or it makes each one just 49 cents. And then I also purchased 3 of these Old Spice Pure Sport body washes, and I purchased 3 of these Secret Outlast deodorants. So the Old Spice are priced at $2 for $11. When you purchase 3 total, your total will be $16.50. The Outlast Secret Deodorant is also priced at $2 for $11, and when you purchase 3, your total will be $16.50 for all 3. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. I purchased a total of 6. So for every 2 that you purchase, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So $16.50 times 2 is $33, and that's for all 6 of those items. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Old Spice body wash. And then we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Secret deodorant. So that's a total of $10 in digital coupons that I used. So $33 minus the $10 in digital coupons that I used, that brought my total down to just $23. And then for every 2 that you buy, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash. I purchased 6 total. So for every 2, I got back $4. So I got back a total of $12. So $23 minus the $12 in Walgreens cash that I received, that brought my total down to just $11 for all 6 items, or it makes each one just $1.83. Okay, and so with my last 2 items, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Always Infinity Flex foam pads, and these are priced at Walgreens for 2 for $10. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then the deal is also when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash. So $10 minus the $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $5. And since you purchase 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the total just $1 for both packages, or each one 50 cents. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and just show you all my receipts. Oh, one more thing, you guys, I wanted to mention. When I did my first transaction with the Revlon and the almonds, I was hoping that a paper booster printed out for me. And guess what, guys? It did. So I got an $8 when you spend $35 paper boosters. So I added that to my second transaction, which made this transaction even better. I forgot to mention that. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see, both of my Gillette shave foams did ring up at buy one get one 50% off. One at $2.99, the other at $1.49. The Revlon, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the Revlon, you guys. So the Revlon mascara right here, this is priced on clearance at Walgreens for $4.29. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I purchased these 2 at $4.29, and that brought my total to $8.58. We do have a $7 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8.58 minus that $7 digital coupon brought my total down to $1.58. And when you buy 2, you will receive back that $5 registry reward. I did receive back that $5 registry reward, making both of those completely free, plus a $3.42 moneymaker. So make sure you guys check your stores and use those high value coupons, because this is a really great deal. And so both of those rung up at $4.29 for me. Both of my Colgate rung up at $3.99, so $7.98. The Crest mouthwash at $3. The Crest toothpaste at $3. All 3 of my Secret at $16.50. All 3 of my Old Spice body washes at $16.50. And both of my Always rung up at $5 each, or 2 for $10. And so right here where it says point coupon purchase, that's the paper booster that I used. This is the $7 digital coupon for the Revlon, my $5 digital for the Secret, $5 digital for the Old Spice, $5 digital for the Always, $3 digital for the Colgate, and both of my $1 digitals for the Crest mouthwash and toothpaste. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $43.04. Yes, you guys, I did pay that out of pocket, although I didn't have to use my cash. I used my my Walgreens MasterCard, and I used my PayPal debit card to pay that off. So I didn't have to pay anything out of my own pocket. So again, $43.04. I could have used some Walgreens cash to pay for this, but I just chose to go ahead and use my Walgreens card. So $43.04. When you look down here where it says earned this visit, I earned $46.58. So that alone already made this transaction completely free, plus a moneymaker. Okay. So I got back $46.58 plus my $5 registry reward that I got for the Revlon, plus my $4 registry reward that I got back from the Gillette phone. So I have everything written down right here. So my total came out to be $43.04. In Walgreens cash rewards, I got back $46.58. That brought my total down to free plus a $3.50 moneymaker, plus the $5 registry reward and the $4 registry reward that I got, which is a total of $9. That made it completely free plus a $12.54 moneymaker. And then with my first transaction, if you guys remember, I paid $3.58 for that transaction. So the $12.54 moneymaker that I got in my second transaction, I just minus that. I minus the $3.58 from that, which made all of this completely free plus an $8.96 moneymaker, you guys. So this was a fantastic transaction for me. Everything worked out exactly how it was supposed to. And the best part about it is I was able to get two bags of my favorite chocolate covered almonds for completely free. I didn't have any coupons for those, so I was so excited to be able to get those for free. So that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you have gotten so far this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipt. I didn't have any qualifying offers, but I did get 25 points just for scanning my receipt. So if you're not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So again, you guys, this is going to be it for this video, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.